Welcome back. So far, we have built a chatbot that greets the user and tells the current date and time. Now let's make it much more useful by adding random quotes, jokes, text utilities, a help menu, and finally an exit option. This introduces one more format code %a, which means the full name of the day. For example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. The chatbot displays today's day. Earlier, we imported the random module. One useful function inside it is choice. It randomly selects one item from a list. Suppose our list contains 4 quotes. Every time we type quote, Python randomly selects one of them. This makes the chatbot feel more dynamic. Notice that you may get a different quote. This is because of randomness. Again, it will select the random joke from the list. Instead of storing the command, we are asking the user for another input here. Len is one of the most commonly used Python functions. It returns the total number of characters. Len is returning the total number of characters. Hello world contains 11 characters, including the space character. Let's understand this line. This is called string slicing. Earlier, you may have learned text of 0 or text 1:4. Now we are using ::(-1). This is a slicing shortcut. The last value is -1, which means move backwards. For example, if the text is Python, it will show let's run this and check. This works opposite to upper. Everything becomes lowercase. Notice we have used 3 quotation marks in the print statement. If we want to write multiple lines, instead of using \n again and again, we will use triple quotes. It allows us to write text exactly as it appears. This is very useful for menus and instructions. So user can type any one out of these commands. Earlier, we created an infinite loop. Without break, the chatbot would never stop. The break statement immediately exits the loop. Goodbye, have a wonderful day. Program closes successfully. Let's add one default case using else. This executes only when none of the previous conditions are true. Let's try. Whenever you create a program, you should always test every feature. A program that compiles but isn't tested can still contain logical errors. So let's test all the commands one by one. Congratulations, you have successfully created your own personal assistant chatbot using Python. Even though this is a rule-based chatbot and not an AI chatbot, you have learned many Python concepts that are used in real projects. Most importantly, you have learned how to combine different concepts into one complete application. Remember, don't just watch the code, write it, run it, break it, fix it. That's how you become a programmer. See you in the next one.